My name is Ken Reed, and we are looking at the DYO Green Building Decision Kit. We're now on wall page number 3. The title of that is Evaluating Plans, and under that we have the topics or the subtopics of smaller footprint or smaller building, the not so big house idea, that can you build a house that has all the amenities or features you want without being a huge home, floor plan ideas, buffer areas, room use, all of that to make an efficient floor plan to make it an easier place for you to live and use for the long term. Energy efficient building envelope, looking at your thermal envelope, how to make your home energy efficient using the best insulation and advanced framing techniques, which we'll talk about again in later wall pages. Construction types, where you're going to use potentially lumber, or are you looking at things like insulated concrete forms or SIPs panels, structural insulated panels, things like that. Optimize for dimensional lumber and alternatives. Advanced framing ideas that make sense as far as saving lumber and also utilizing the best possible building techniques. Natural ventilation and shading, what you have for a building site, potentially where you would want placement of trees, things like that. Basement crawl space, slab on grade, other, that's about what kind of foundation type is possible or the best option for the home that you have or the remodeling project you're looking forward to. Garage, vehicle charging station, recycling center, things like this become more important over time, especially as electric vehicles become more prevalent and hybrid vehicles are more available. Double entry airlocks, utility and mudroom, things like that. It makes sense if you're going to be, especially in the country or a place where a garden is possible, or if you're planning to build a greenhouse which uses natural soil. Porches, decks, patios, gazebos, outbuildings, what you might look at that has extra storage that you don't necessarily have to incorporate into your home, or ideas that you can use for the outside buildings to make your living a much more pleasurable experience for the long term. Fences, trees, hedges, sight, sound barriers, ways to get privacy, to slow down the amount of snowdrift, to slow down wind. All these things are important for the long term to consider if you want to keep your energy bills down and your comfort levels high.